So let's create a website. Let's create a website with the website builder of Hostinger. So click in the right part where it says website builder. As you can see, the first step you're going to be taking is going down and click in the hosting plan. In order for you to buy a hosting plan with a website builder, you guys need to hire a plan with the website builder. For example, here you can get this a lot of features. For example, the AI website builder, e-commerce tool, transaction fees, payment methods, and many other features that the website builder tab has for you. So for example, if you go with this plan, you guys are going to be shown 4 types of hosting. So in order for you to start a website builder, you need to choose a plan. So for example, let's say you guys choose this plan. You need to create your account. You need to sign with your account of Google, fill in the blanks, and then you're going to be redirected to this one. So skip for now, and then you're going to script again, and you are going now to name your website. For example, you have to claim a free domain, buy a domain, or use expiring domain. In this case, we're going to be showing you how to do this. For example, let's go to websites, and then you guys are going to add a website in the right part, and you're going to choose WordPress not hosting or website builder. Click here, and then we're going to be creating a website builder with the artificial intelligence of Hostinger. Let AI create your website in minutes. So to start this, you guys are going to tick where it says start creating. Click here. So then you are going to put your brand name or the name of your website, then the website type. For example, it can be a blog, a business, and you guys, for example, are going to type the description. What do you want the artificial intelligence to do with your website? So you guys are going to type a detailed description, so the artificial intelligence is going to do it for you. So after you give a name, the type of site, then click where it says create a website, and then you get it right there. You have your web design. You can also check it. We scroll down, and as you can see, it has the information that you need. Yes, all of this, and you can also edit any part of the website. Yes, so you have these options for you to use it here in your website. Yes, you can create a logo. You can do anything with the artificial intelligence here with the guys of Hostinger. Remember, guys, that I'm going to be dropping my link down below for you to click there and create your website with the artificial intelligence of Hostinger. Yes, I hope you guys have liked my short tutorial about how to use the Hostinger AI website builder. And remember to give it a like if you like my tutorial. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial. See you next time.